First off, we're going to soak our noodles. Now these are rice noodles. Into a bowl and just pour the hot water over the rice noodles. Soak and rehydrate. 12 to 15 minutes to soften up. If you've got a wok, perfect. If not, just a normal sized frying pan with big sloping sides. Pan on, get it really nice and hot. Chicken breast, take a rolling pin and nice and gently roll over the chicken. What it does, it sort of flattens it, allows you to slice it even thinner. And the thinner the slice of the chicken, the sort of crispier it gets, the quicker it cooks. Start slicing these nice thin slices. Next, wash your knife and finely slice garlic. The thinner the garlic, the crispier. This is a young, tender broccoli. Just slice them down. I want a bite to the broccoli. With a dish that takes literally minutes to put together, it's really important to get everything organised. Everything needs to be at your fingertips. Touch of olive oil.
Magneto!
Get that pan really nice and ready. Just starting to smoke. Drop the chicken in first. Touch of salt, pepper. Once you've started to sear off the chicken, get the garlic in. Now, let that get really nice and crispy. Broccoli in. Now, soy sauce. That helps to season it, but also stains beautifully. Soy sauce in. Lovely. That's exactly what I want. Now take that out. A little teaspoon of olive oil. Get that wok really nicely oiled again. Very classic. 2 eggs in. Whisk up the eggs. And give that a really good whisk. Sort of almost spread it up the side of the pan. Noodles in. Chicken and broccoli in. And give that a really nice mix. You want the egg to sort of almost bring the dish together. That egg's cooked. Make sure you got that nice, even distribution of chicken, broccoli, garlic. Lovely. And then just finish that in a fresh lime. And there you have a very simple, delicious stir-fried noodles.